Now that you've made reading, talking, singing, and playing a regular part of your child's day, how about reserving one of the Fairfax County Public Library's Read, Talk, Sing, and Play packs that come with a special little device called a Starling inside? Let's check it out.
Fairfax County Public Library supports parents' efforts in getting children ready for reading and writing. It's not hard. You know, parents sometimes think they need worksheets and drills and complicated books. It's not hard. All parents have to do is read, write, talk, sing, and play with children every day. And Fairfax County Public Library, we want to help. We want to help parents get children ready for reading and writing. So one thing that we offer parents is this wonderful little device called a Starling. And this Starling will count the number of words children hear on a daily basis. Checking out a Starling is pretty easy. You go to our online catalog and then you will put a hold on our Read, Talk, Sing, Play book bag, and the Starling is in there. There's an app for each Starling, so you download the app on your phone, then you sync it up to a Starling, and then that's it. You attach the Starling to a child and you simply talk, sing, read, play, engage with your child, and the Starling will do all the rest. You can use a Starling with babies all the way up to preschool, so birth to 5. And I don't want to say that parents should speak a certain number of words a day because I don't want parents to feel limited by that or overwhelmed. So my recommendation would be check out a Starling, download the app, and simply talk to your child. And after 3 or 4 days, see how many words that you are speaking to your child, that your child is hearing. And then look at the average. So over a period of 3 days, if you've spoken an average of 1,500 words, then shoot for 2,000 words. So what I like about the Starling is that parents can set their goals. And the wonderful thing about Starlings and talking to your child, no one will say you're talking too much, you're reading too much, you're playing too much. So aim for the stars. When we first bought the Starlings for customers, I played with one to kind of see how it worked. And the thing that I realized is that it is a nice visual reminder to talk, to engage, to play, to interact with your child. So you don't need a Starling in order to read, write, talk, sing, play with your child, but when you see this on your young child, it is a reminder to talk as much as you want, to read a lot, to play and engage. Fairfax County Public Library, we want customers to think of us as more than books. We offer tons of resources that are available to help parents get children ready to read. Our Starling book bag is one of those resources, so please come talk to a librarian and see what other wonderful resources we have to offer.